2023, Atiku said he went to court 11 times and he did not have to see the judge. Bishop Kuka, welcome to the news, and please subscribe to our channel. Bishop Kuka, Bishop of the Catholic Diocese of Sokoto, said the People Democratic Party presidential candidate Atiku Abubakar made a point very clearly that he went to the court 11 times and he did not have to see the judge. Bishop Kuka recounts Atiku's statement in an interview with Arise News during the Morning Show program when he was airing his view on Saturday election and the decision of some candidates to approach the court. Bishop Kuka said they should not spend their time again speculating on what INEC should have or should have done or should not have done in Saturday's election, because we now have the machinery and process in place which hopefully and prayerfully will deliver to us what we expect. He added that he is happy that those who are approaching the court are not weighed down by prejudice and feelings of anxiety that people have about the Supreme Court, and either we like it or not, we are not going to invent another court. Atiku Adamawa made a point very clearly that he went to the court 11 times and he did not have to see the judge. He said what we are used to is using one bad egg to judge the rest in the basket. Bishop Kuka then said the Supreme Court is a legitimate body to interpret the spirit of the law, even the letters, and if the actors trust that process, let us also line up in them. Exactly. I've been on about, see this court and say no, they work. The judiciary is not working. Give me. The judiciary is not working. Give me a president that obeys the law, that practices the rule of law, and I will show you a court that anybody they fear for that land. That is, if person tell you, say, Omo, I dey sue you to court, you go down the peaceful body, especially if you are in the wrong. You go down the beg, say, I beg, make your law Benny, Joe, shall me. I don't want to go to court. Show me a president that obeys the rule of law, and I will show you a country that a judiciary system is very strong, extremely okay. And indeed, this is one opportunity the judiciary has to redeem its image and align with the citizenry. May the good Lord help the judiciary to do what is right. The judiciary does not have to align with the supporters of any candidate. The judiciary interprets the law of the land. The judiciary will do the same thing in this instance. If it is given to your candidates, I think that is the right thing you are talking about. I don't understand. The opposition were thanking Buhari when there was no money for campaign, but same now blaming him when they lose. But PDP during their era were controlling the judges. How did James Ibori in one case with 178 charges discharged for lack of merit, only to have 5 charges in a London court, and was found guilty in all? What kind of judiciary did PDP also operate, my dear? You see why we cannot even abandon each other. If he didn't see any judges claimed, why was his lawyer Ricky involved in bribing judges for his trial? Some of us knew how he had been winning his cases. Wow. Politicians in Nigeria are behaving alike. Once they get favorable judgments, they're called to become the hope of the common man, but when it is opposite, they turn them to rotten institutions. So Atiku is a seasoned loser with great experience. What an intimidating CV of a great loser. He went to court 11 times. Atiku will never lose a case on the court for once. I know if it is Obidati that won this election, Atiku would not have gone to court. He just wants to put something right. Go, we are strongly behind you, sir. Oh, calm down now. I no go assume anything. And the most thing you can do now is to come and be assuming for these corrupt governments. Okay, you have disappointed Jesus Christ himself and heaven. Are you now playing politics? You are here saying the country is spoiled by religious bigotry, tribalism leaders, and you failed to do something, and you disassociated yourself and the church. Nigerian judiciary is more corrupt than rotten egg. Even the bishops seem not to trust in God's will. He seems to have confidence in Alhaji Atiku Abubakar and PDP more than Jesus Christ. What I do. Kuka and Gumi are political men of God and by extraction men of Atiku. I don't think no. Kuka. No. Your opponent, it is obvious that it is obvious they always stop at nothing to enforce themselves on people, but you and emo on my mind. When Kuka became Atiku's spokesman, if not for corruption, did Kuka become Atiku's spokesman? No, did he become Atiku's spokesman? Make I know wetin I dey talk. Alright. He therefore knows Nigerian justices and courts very well in delivering judgment. Oga Bishop, let this year be the end of your peace accord. What should we believe between, whom should we believe between LP and PDP? Is that both won the presidential election as they are both claiming victory and they complain about being robbed. Wow. Nigeria do not have judiciary but presidency. What presidency talk? Judiciary is what judiciary is, and saying they don't have more to say anything. Nigeria do not have judiciary but presidency. What presidency talk is the judiciary? Saying by they don't have mouth to say anything. You do not go to school at all. Touch my anointing and do my perfect man. Voila, deal. Alright, so this note we have come to the end of the news. We say thank you for tuning in to listen. Until I come your way next time, enjoy the rest of the day.